Hello everyone, welcome to another video where I'm going to discuss about a Euron org. So what is this Euron org? So let's suppose you are a college, you are a school, or maybe you are a company, and every college, every school, every company try to reskill or upskill their people in a variety of a domain. Now this is where Euron org come into a picture. So where as an organization, you will be able to access not just one single licenses or one single seat, but you will be able to access a multiple seat. So here we have a Euron org offering, as you can see, and 1500 per license per year, means with 1500 per licenses, you all will be able to access everything for an entire year. And this is basically created for an organization. So not for an individual, but for an organization. So it could be a school, it could be a colleges, or it could be a industry. Now here, if you will come down, so you will be able to see that we are. So here, let's suppose, okay, I already have this subscription. So let me log out and then I can show you the Euron org part. So here you will be able to see that if you are willing to take a seats, let's suppose I'm looking for a 5 seats or 10 seats, or maybe I'm looking for more than like a n number of seats. So what I can do, I can just give a company name over here. I can give an email ID. If you have a GST number, so you can put a GST number, and then you can select a number of a seat that you are looking for a number of members. So let's suppose I'm looking for minimum is 5 guys. Minimum is 5 that you have to take. Now above 5, so you can even give any kind of a numbers, and these many number of seats you will be able to purchase at a time. Now once you are going to purchase the seat, so now let me sign up and then show you so how things are going to actually works. So let's suppose if you have purchased a seat, so how you will be able to assign a seat to your team members. So here inside your profile section, so once you are going to purchase Euron orgs, you will be able to see a separate tab called as Euron org. So here is a tab Euron org. Now let's suppose if I have purchased 5 seats or maybe more than 5 seats, so I will be able to see over here that number of slots that is available to me. And again, so I will be able to see expiry date, because expiry date is going to be 1 year from a time when you are going to purchase. And then you will be able to assign those seats individually to one by one to each and every member. So you can just enter the email ID and they will be able to get a notification on their respective mail and they will be able to access it. Simple, right? So you will be able to send an invite. Again, you will be able to send an invite even in a bulk mode. So even in a bulk mode, let's suppose I have to invite maybe 100 people or maybe 1,000 people, depends upon the number of slots which is available to you. Again, if number of slots is 100, so obviously you will not be able to invite more than 100 people. Very simple. So here you can try to send a bulk invite and then you will be able to distribute those seats among any number of people, depends upon the number of slots that is available to you. Now here you will be able to see even your members stats. Let's suppose you have purchased the seat, maybe you are the HR or maybe you are the head of organization, you have purchased the seat. So you will be able to see the stats of each and every person, that whether they are learning, whether they are not learning, each and everything, because you are the super admin or you are the admin. If you would like to assign someone else as an admin, even that is possible, right? Even that is possible. So if you would like to assign someone as an admin, so just go over here and then assign them as an admin, and they will be able to assign a seat to other person from your quota. So whatever number of slots which is available to you. Now let's suppose if you are trying to buy additional licenses, right? Let's suppose I have a 5 licenses and that got exhausted. So now I'm looking for another 5 licenses. So again, from your profile, you're on org section, you can go over here and then you can try to opt for any number of license that you are looking for. So 1500 including a taxes, again, so taxes are not on top of it, so including a taxes, it's going to be 1500 per licenses, and you will be able to access each and everything for an entire year. So this is how this entire Euron org is going to work, guys. So hope all of you are going to like it. And if you are the part of organization, if you are the head of your team or maybe head of your college or schools or HR, anyone, or maybe a director or manager, and if you are willing to upskill or reskill your team member, so for sure you can come over here and then you can try to purchase it. And it's very simple, everything is available in an automated mode. And once you are going to purchase it, or once your team member will be having an access, so here you will be able to see a logo called as Euron orgs. If someone is having Euron plus access, which is an individual access, so people will be able to see Euron plus. Otherwise they will be able to see Euron orgs. Otherwise they will be able to see just Euron if they have like gone through just an individual courses. So this is the entire offering, guys, and with that, thank you so much. See you again in my next video.